Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, I've got Arun, our online student from Canberra today. 8 each in PT with 19 speaking. Congratulations, Arun. Very well done.
Thank you so much, Varun. Thanks.
Arun, very first thing I would like to ask you, studying online, being an online student can sound a bit difficult sometimes. What do you
Yeah.
think being an online student, how was your experience and how important is feedback to clear this particular exam?
First of all, like I would like to thank LA team, entire team, for like helping me pass this exam. Like I was before I joined LA, I was like struggling a bit, especially in writing. I
Hmm.
took few attempts before attending the LA class, and then like after I joined the class, I was actually watching your videos on YouTube, and
Thank
then
you.
like I came across you, and then like I thought of joining a class, and then like I was in Canberra, so it was not possible to do the face to face class. So
Correct.
I thought of online class, and then like I started the online class, and then like I did the strategy class. The strategies class were all like very effective. Like I got all the strategies, and they were like practice sessions as well, and it
Hmm.
was it was very very helpful. Even it was like a online class, and then like the teachers were already always there, and then like if I needed any feedback or like any help, I would contact like not even one, like multiple teachers,
That's
and then
right.
like they were already always there for me, and it was
That's right.
very very great experience.
That's right. Arun, as you pointed out that you were missing out in writing section, a lot of students out there, they are missing out in writing section, even if they're doing the essay and summarize written text perfectly. What did you
Yeah.
do in order to get your score in the writing module?
Yeah, as I told you, as I was struggling in writing from the beginning as well, and like I was missing in reading and writing fill in the blanks,
Hmm.
and sometimes in like write from dictation as well. Reading and
Hmm.
writing fill in the blanks and write from dictations are like they contribute very much in the writing. Even if you are like doing your essay perfect or like your summarized written text perfect, like these two sections like fill in the blanks and the right from dictation will contribute a lot of marks.
Correct.
So I was like after I got like feedbacks from my teachers, they told me I was lacking in these two sections especially. So
Hmm.
I gave like uh, very much time to this. I practiced a lot, and then like I was going back to the teachers and then like asking for the feedbacks, and then
Hmm.
especially focused on right from dictation and like blanks, and then like I was able to do it.
That's 100% correct. Guys, a lot of students do miss out in writing and they keep on practicing the essays. This is something which is very, very important. Arun did the same to get his score in writing. Make sure you work on your reading, writing blanks, and your write from dictation, plus your summarized spoken text. That is where majority of your writing scores are going to come from. Very important you have the feedback and you know what areas you need to work on. Arun, last thing I would like to ask you, um, what do you think about mock tests? How important are mock tests and how important is the feedback?
Mock tests are like very important. Like it's like the same feeling as you go and sit in the exam. Like
Hmm.
you would know the real feeling, and then like you will know how to manage the time and like how to like separate, like so mock test, and then you'll also know like where you are standing when you are
Hmm.
like doing the mock test regularly. And regarding the feedback is very important, because without the feedback you won't know that like what mistakes you are making, and then
Correct.
like where you need to improve. So yeah, both of these
That's
are like very important. Yeah.
that's 100% correct. Golden words coming from someone who has recently scored 8 each. You need to make sure you practice hard. You understand where you're missing out. Don't just practice writing if you're missing out in writing. You need to understand what tasks you need to work more on. Then you need to take mock test and don't just take the mock test. Ask for feedback. Work on the feedback. See where you're standing. What are the mistakes you're making and how you have to improve. Once you take one mock test, work on your mistakes. Don't repeat the same mistakes again. Do another mock test and don't just practice for the sake of practicing. As I always say, practice to improve so that you don't repeat the same mistakes in the exam and get your desired score. Congratulations and all the very best, Arun.
Thank you so much, Varun. Thanks.
That's it from this video, guys. If he has done it, if I have done it, you can do it as well. But you need to make sure you work hard, you work smart, plus work hard and smart in the right direction so that you can get the output of all the efforts you put in and get your desired score. If you need any help with PT NAT or IELTS, you can give us a call, send us a message on this number, and we'll make sure you get your desired score. Varun from Language Academy, I'll see you very soon.
Now crack your PTE sitting at your home. Language Academy brings to you the smartest AI-powered practice portal, with instant scores and feedback for all the tasks. Along with the practice questions, access free sectional and full mock tests, and get instant scorecard with in-depth feedback and analysis. For more hidden secrets, tips, strategies, and proven templates, click the link below and subscribe to our video course today.